HGTV anyone? Custom-built home close to downtown Nashville, built in 2018. Open concept floor plan, cathedral ceilings, granite face fireplace, granite countertops, Amish built cabinets, 3-car garage, deck off the back of the home, wrap-around porch, oak staircase leads to large family room that offers an abundance of extra closet place. The upper level has a full bath and 2 bedrooms. Master bedroom is located on the main level and has an oversized custom-designed shower and a clawfoot tub. The basement has a second large family room, 1/2 bath, office, exercise room and a garage for lawnmowers or gardening tools. Spray foam insulation makes this 4,447 plus square foot home energy efficient. Home has many custom features. Schedule a showing today.